Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to build a website with Claude. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you have ever wanted to build your own website but felt held back by coding complexity or design skills, then this guide is exactly what you need. In the past, creating a website required extensive coding knowledge, strong design abilities, and a significant amount of time. However, with modern AI tools, the entire process has become much simpler and more accessible. You can now generate layouts, write code, design content, and even troubleshoot issues with the help of AI. The tool we will be using in this tutorial is Claude, an AI assistant developed by Anthropic. Claude can generate code, create website content, explain programming concepts, and guide you through building projects from start to finish. So let's get started. Before jumping into the process, it is important to decide what type of website you want to build. This step is crucial because it defines the structure and functionality of your site. For example, you might want to create a personal portfolio, a business landing page, a blog, or a product showcase. Each of these has different requirements, so having a clear goal will help you get better results when working with Claude. Once you have decided on the purpose of your website, you can move on to generating its structure. To begin, you can open Claude and provide a clear prompt describing what you want. For instance, you might ask it to create a simple website layout that includes a homepage, an About section, a Services section, and a contact form. After entering your request, you can click Generate and allow Claude to process the input. Within a few seconds, it will produce the necessary code for your website. Claude typically generates HTML for the structure, CSS for styling, and sometimes JavaScript for basic interactivity. This step saves a significant amount of time because you do not have to manually write every line of code. Instead, you are given a ready-made foundation that you can build upon. While the code is being generated, you can prepare to review it and understand how the layout is organized. Once Claude provides the output, you will see a structured layout that includes a header, multiple sections, and a contact form at the bottom. You can scroll through the code to examine each part of the website. If you want to generate a slightly different design, you can modify your prompt. For example, you might request a responsive landing page with a hero section, feature highlights, and a contact section. Claude will adjust the code based on your instructions. One of the key advantages of using Claude is that it allows you to refine your website easily. If there is something you do not like or do not understand, you can simply ask the AI to modify it. For instance, you can request a change in layout, fix a specific issue, or improve certain elements. Claude will update the code accordingly and display the changes in real time. The generated code usually includes the main HTML structure, styling elements defined through CSS, and sometimes JavaScript to make the website interactive. Since the chat interface remains open, you can continue asking questions or requesting updates while viewing the results side by side. This interactive approach makes it easier to experiment and learn as you go. After reviewing the code, you can save it as an HTML file, typically named index.html. This allows your browser to recognize it as a web page. To do this, you can copy the generated code and paste it into a text editor, then save it with the appropriate file extension. Once saved, you can open it in your browser to view your website. When you open the file, you will see the initial version of your website. For example, if you asked for a specific color theme, you will notice that the entire design reflects that choice. This demonstrates how quickly Claude can adapt to your requests and generate a working design. It is important to remember that the initial version of your website is just a starting point. You can continue customizing it to match your preferences. For example, you can ask Claude to update the theme, adjust the layout, or add new sections. You might request a navigation bar, a footer with social media links, or an improved hero section with a larger headline and a call to action button. Each request will result in updated code that you can replace in your file. This step-by-step approach allows you to gradually improve your website without needing advanced technical skills. You can experiment with colors, fonts, layouts, and content until you achieve the desired result. Because Claude handles most of the coding, you can focus more on design and functionality. Once the layout is ready, the next step is to add real content. This includes replacing placeholder text with actual information about your business, project, or personal brand. For example, You can update the header with a clear description of your website's purpose. You can also include images, logos, and illustrations to make the site more visually appealing. If needed, you can ask Claude to generate text or suggest content ideas. Adding images is straightforward. You can include image links in the HTML code or use resources from free stock image websites. Replacing placeholder elements with real content helps your website feel complete and professional. It also gives it a personalized touch, making it unique to your brand. Another important aspect of modern web design is responsiveness. This means your website should look good on all devices, including smartphones, tablets, and desktops. To achieve this, you can ask Claude to update your code to make it fully responsive. Claude will adjust the CSS by using flexible layouts, grids, and media queries. After making these changes, you can test your website by resizing your browser or opening it on different devices. Once the structure and responsiveness are in place, you can add extra features to enhance your website. For example, you can include a contact form, a navigation menu, or interactive elements. These features improve user experience and make your site more engaging. Claude can generate the necessary code for these additions quickly. Before publishing your website, it is essential to test everything thoroughly. Check that all links are working correctly, including navigation links and social media connections. Make sure the layout looks good on different screen sizes and that images load properly. If you encounter any issues, you can ask Claude to review your code and suggest improvements. It is also important to remember that while Claude is a powerful tool, it is still an assistant. Reviewing the generated code will help you learn how websites work and improve your skills over time. The more you experiment and practice, the better your results will become. You can ask Claude to review your generated website and ask him to suggest any changes that you want. And after that, the Claude will give you the whole scenario that what you should change in your website. So simply ask Claude to do all these changes, and it will take some time, and it will do all the things that he suggested very carefully. There are also a few helpful tips that can make the process easier. First, always provide clear and specific prompts when working with Claude. The more detailed your instructions, the better the results will be. Second, build your website step by step, rather than trying to create everything at once. This makes it easier to understand and manage the code. Third, test your website frequently to catch errors early. Finally, keep your files organized by separating images, styles, and scripts into different folders. In conclusion, building a website in 2026 is far easier than it used to be, thanks to AI tools like Claude. Instead of writing code from scratch, you can generate layouts, design elements, and content with minimal effort. With a bit of creativity and experimentation, Claude can become a valuable partner in your web development journey. And that's it! So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.